ఆదివారం మధురపూడి విమానాశ్రయ సమావేశ మందిరంలో ఎయిర్పోర్ట్ ఎక్స్టెన్షన్పై పనుల పురోగతి తదితర అంశాలపై సమీక్షా సమావేశం కేంద్ర విమానయాన మంత్రిత్వ శాఖ మంత్రి కింజరాపు రామ్మోహన్ నాయుడు ఆధ్వర్యంలో నిర్వహించడం జరిగింది. పాల్గొన్న పార్లమెంట్ సభ్యురాలు దగ్గుబాటి పురంధేశ్వరి, జిల్లా కలెక్టర్ పి ప్రశాంతి, శాసనసభ్యులు ఆదిరెడ్డి శ్రీనివాసు, బత్తుల బలరామకృష్ణ, ఎయిర్పోర్ట్ డైరెక్టర్ ఎస్ జ్ఞానేశ్వరరావు.
And next one, we are everything ready, sir, here. Second one is diverted to Ayodhya. So we keep on.
No, this time no wait.
Yes, sir. Now again we are. Yes, ma'am. This is a mandatory requirement, sir. Because sometimes during heavy rain season, sir, our aircraft is forced to hold on that air, sir. That is a passengers will be panicking, sir. So I request your good self, sir, please take care of this. Mrs. Renatus College Private Limited.
How are you entering there?
So from city side, we are entering this, sir. From Rajahmundry city, sir.
Okay.
So this way we are entering here, sir.
Okay.
So our terminal is somewhere here. So this is our existing terminal, sir. So it is connected with apron area, sir. And so this is the for future car parking area, sir. In the future plan, sir. Now this is that you have mentioned here, sir. This is our terminal area. This car parking area, sir.
Where is the new terminal building?
New terminal building we are constructing. It is this one, sir. This is the existing one, sir. This is the existing one, sir. New one is this one.
Your map should be a little more clear and when you give it to us.
Okay.
This is the existing one. This is the expansion.
So right now we have 200 cars facilities there, sir, car parking area. In the new building, we are adding up to 500 cars, sir. And
Won't be in the building, you are adding additional area and
additional area also we are adding, sir. We are adding. So this is our 05 side, sir. This side, Madhurpur area, sir. This is Madhurpur area, sir, from city side. This is that Burugupudi, sir, 2-3. So I told you, sir, that Cat 1 approach lighting system. Here we have planned, sir. Continuously it will come here. While landing this side, sir, it will be useful for that. So instrument landing system we are proposing here, sir. It creates that center line and glide angle it will give for the navigation, landing gauge.
Usually you have operations from inside?
Both sides,
Both sides?
both sides, both sides.
But
Depending on the
direction.
wind direction and visibility,
Okay.
both directions are utilized.
Vehicle motor.
This that we have awarded the work to Mrs. Renatus project, sir, Chennai based company.